Number 1. 1992 Dodge Ram 250, price $8,900. This truck has 295,000 miles and is powered by a legendary 5.9L inline-six diesel engine paired with an automatic transmission. It features a classic white exterior with a gray interior and runs on diesel fuel. The truck is a long bed model and comes with several heavy-duty upgrades, including a fifth-wheel tailgate, slide-in camper tie-downs, and an auxiliary fuel tank with built-in storage, making it an excellent choice for towing, hauling, and other demanding tasks. The spacious cabin comfortably seats up to 6 passengers, making it suitable for both work and recreational use. It is equipped with ice-cold air conditioning, power windows, power door locks, an upgraded radio faceplate, and a brake buddy system. With its chrome accents and rugged, timeless styling, this Dodge Ram 250 offers the durability and classic appearance that diesel truck enthusiasts appreciate. Number 2. 1991 Nissan Pickup, price $6,500, with only 76,000 original miles. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and a reliable gasoline engine. The truck features a striking red exterior paired with a matching red interior, giving it a unique and eye-catching appearance. The truck has been professionally lowered using lowering springs, blocks, and shocks, providing an aggressive stance while maintaining a comfortable ride. It rides on 14x7 wire wheels that complement its classic style. The interior is in near-mint condition, and both the air conditioning and heater are in excellent working order. With its low original mileage, great running condition, and tasteful modifications, this Nissan D21 King Cab is an outstanding example of a classic compact pickup that is ready to be enjoyed. Number 3. 1999 Ford Range 1R, price $9,800, features an automatic transmission, a striking red exterior, a beige interior, and is powered by a gasoline engine. It has been extensively upgraded with a 425 Ci Ford Windsor Stroker engine built with a forged scat crankshaft and connecting rods, forged Icon pistons, World Windsor senior cylinder heads, a Comp XE274 camshaft, a Holly Street Avenger carburetor, MSD ignition, an aluminum intake manifold, a built AOD automatic transmission, and a Ford 9-inch rear axle. The engine is in excellent mechanical condition, showing a consistent compression reading of 195 to 200 psi across all 8 cylinders. The truck runs and drives exceptionally well, delivering significantly more power than most would expect from a Ranger while attracting attention wherever it goes. All major features are fully functional, including the power windows, power door locks, cruise control, lights, gauges, windshield wipers, air conditioning, and Kenwood stereo system. Number 4. 2002 Ford F-150, price $9,995. This truck has 165,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a dependable 4.6L Cephei OHC V8 Triton engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. Finished in sleek silver metallic with a gray interior, this gasoline-powered pickup combines reliable performance with everyday practicality. Its distinctive flare-side bed design gives it a sporty, muscular appearance, while the supercab configuration provides additional interior space for passengers and cargo, making it a versatile choice for both work and daily driving. With its classic styling, dependable V8 powertrain, and well-balanced combination of comfort and utility, this F-150 offers a strong package for anyone looking for a durable and eye-catching full-size pickup. Number 5. 1996 Ford F-250, price $6,700. It has 138,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a gold exterior with a tan interior and is powered by a dependable 7.5L V8 gasoline engine paired with a 2WD drivetrain. The truck starts easily, runs strong, and drives smoothly, making it a reliable choice for both everyday use and heavier hauling tasks. The truck is well equipped with desirable features, including cold air conditioning, hot heat, power windows, newer tires, and fifth-wheel rails for added towing capability. The automatic transmission shifts smoothly, and the powerful 7.5L V8 provides plenty of performance when needed. Number 6. 1998 Nissan Frontier, price $5,300. Dependable compact pickup powered by a reliable 4-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a smooth 5-speed manual transmission. It has just 97,152 miles on the odometer and features a gold exterior complemented by a clean beige interior. The truck is equipped with air conditioning and power steering, providing a comfortable and easy driving experience for everyday use. It runs well and has been well maintained over the years. The vehicle comes with a clean original title, a valid smog certificate, and registration through August 2027, giving the next owner added peace of mind. While the truck is mechanically sound, it could use a thorough interior and exterior cleaning to bring out its full potential. Overall, this Frontier is a solid, reliable pickup that would make an excellent daily driver, work truck, or practical project for someone looking for a classic Nissan with low mileage.
Number 7.
1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,500. It has 329,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a gold exterior, a gray interior, and is powered by a reliable 4.3L Vortec V6 gasoline engine. The truck runs and drives well, with cold air conditioning and 4 brand new tires providing a comfortable and dependable driving experience. The suspension has been upgraded with a C-notch in the rear and lowering control arms up front, along with new tie rod ends, a new pitman arm, and a new idler arm for improved handling and performance. The truck is 100% rust-free, and the bed floor has been exceptionally well preserved. It also comes with a clean title, making it a solid choice for anyone looking for a well-maintained classic Chevrolet pickup.
Number 8.
1994 Ford F-150, price $4,500. This truck has 200,000 miles on the body and a 97,000-mile 4.9L 300 inline-6 engine installed in 2023. It features an automatic transmission, 2WD, blue exterior, gray interior, and runs on gasoline. The truck starts, runs, drives, and stops well. The previous owner replaced many parts, with receipts and a parts list available. The dual fuel tanks crossflow despite new fuel pumps, but the front tank works fine, while the rear tank only requires monitoring. It may occasionally have a slight jerk at higher speeds, possibly due to the PSOM.
The truck has a clean, undercoat underside and is currently registered as an antique.
Overall, it is a solid, reliable classic pickup with a well-maintained drivetrain.
Number 9.
1994 Ford Ranger, price $3,400. This truck has 130,000 miles on the odometer, is equipped with an automatic transmission, and is powered by a gasoline engine. It features a red exterior paired with a gray interior. The truck runs and drives great, with everything in proper working order. The air conditioning blows ice cold, while the heater works perfectly, providing comfort in any season. It comes with new tires and brakes, making it ready for daily driving.
This is a one-owner truck that has remained completely original and stock since new.
The owner has kept all of the original books and manuals from day one, reflecting the care it has received over the years. It is powered by a reliable 4-cylinder engine, and a clean title is in hand, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a well-preserved classic Ford Ranger.
Number 10.
2001 Ford F-250, price $3,100. It has 205,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a dependable 5.4L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It features a white exterior and is configured as a Super Duty 2WD with an 8-foot-long bed, making it an excellent choice for work, hauling, or towing. The truck comes with a clean title, and the registration is valid through October 2026. As a former government fleet vehicle, it has been maintained on a strict service schedule, contributing to its excellent mechanical condition. It runs perfectly with no known issues and has rarely been used for towing. Additional highlights include brand new tires, a factory tow package, and an ice-cold air conditioning system for added comfort.